Working on my Chevy Cobalt SS, and today I'm going to be diagnosing a check engine light with the blue driver scan tool and then fixing whatever problem it has. Plug the blue driver into the OBD2 port. And the car currently has 119,995 miles on it. Open the blue driver app, which is right there. And then it should be connecting to the sensor. And I will read codes. I'll do all modules. And it's the oxygen sensor and the catalytic converter. So it says replace the catalytic converter or replace the oxygen sensor. I'm going to start with the oxygen sensor. They cost about $50 from the parts store. I have quite a few oxygen sensors from parts cars, so I'm going to try the oxygen sensor real quick, and if that doesn't fix it, I do have catalytic converters too. So let me pull this up on the ramps and go from there. It looks like the code is P0420. There is the rear oxygen sensor. You never want to work on this when it's hot because you can burn yourself. So the oxygen sensor socket has a special slot so you can get the wires through. Go. Put in the replacement one from one of my parts cars. important thing is you want to tuck it behind this heat shield so it doesn't melt. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the connector, but there's a little safety tab you have to pull out, a little blue. There we go. Now to plug in the new one. Alright, so this is going to be a lot easier to get to from the top. There we go. Based on the condition of the OT sensor, it has melted wires right there, and then right there and right there. And these were kind of melted together when I pulled it off. So hopefully that takes care of the problem. I'm gonna clear the codes on this. So I could wait for it to go through a drive cycle. And I think it's 2 drive cycles and the codes will clear, but I'm just gonna go ahead and clear them now. So it has to reconnect to the sensor. All right. Just do the check engine light this time because I'm gonna clear the codes. And now the check engine light is off, and I'm gonna take it through the drive cycle and see if that solves the problem, which I suspect it will. And that is replacing your oxygen sensor in a Chevy Cobalt SS. All the Chevy Cobalts are pretty much going to be the same as far as doing this. There's a upstream and a downstream O2 sensor. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.